Hi, little squirrely. Hi, little squirrely. I wish I had something for you, but I don't. You look really cool. The squirrel literally just jumped on me though.
And me.
And her. Hey. Hey. I got one for you. There you go. There you go. You gotta have these things ready on command because they ain't playing no game. At least they're gentle though.
Yeah, they are. They're very gentle. Oh, more coming. We got all the squirrels and the birds. They're hungry. He gonna get his.
You can feel their little sharp nails.
They was jumping. See, I told you they jumped on me.
I believe.
Don't jump on me, please. Don't jump on me.
Oh, boy, you can't be putting your hands on me now.
He scratched you up.
Tell y'all, man, I love the pigeons. I love the squirrels too. These squirrels so friendly. There you go, buddy. I love them. And they love me back. They do.